Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to pay QR code in GCash. Paying via QR code in GCash is simple and efficient. To start, open your GCash app, tap the QR option located in the middle of the screen, right between Inbox and Transactions. If you are scanning a merchant's QR code, simply press the Scan option and align the QR code within the frame. Then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the payment. If you already have a picture of a QR code, tap Upload QR code and select the image from your gallery to process the payment. Alternatively, you can generate your own QR code by tapping Generate QR and then choosing Pay using QR code to make a transaction directly from your balance. This versatile method allows for quick payments, whether scanning, uploading, or generating a QR, making GCash a seamless way to pay anywhere QR codes are accepted. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.